My name is PRATHIK. First year CSC batch. Company name is Stalin Association. Product name phone cover. Proposed name is Smart Case. Some of the requirement and feelings about the product as the said by the customer during the empathizing activities, which protects the phone cover when falling. When the phone get heated, it will give the warning based on the empathizing stage and customer feelings and requirement of the customer. Many new features are added to the existing product name phone cover, futuristic product name smart case. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned below: LED light, charging port, battery life, and display. In the prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. The mentor advised to draw the sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewer of the presentation video to comment your opinion in the satisfy the test stage. Thank you.